Assalamualaikum students, hope you all are fine. This is your teacher Sabiha. Today I will tell you about topic numbers. Reference countdown page 6 and 7. We will discuss question number 4 to question number 9. After attending this lecture, you will make notes on loose sheets. Do more practice as practice makes math perfect. In math subjects, involvement of the students is necessary, but here it's not an easy task. It makes math. So be attentive, all of you. After this lecture, I will take question answer session. So listen attentively and leave other tasks. Don't write anything. You just understand the concepts. Now let's start. Our topic is numbers. In numbers, whenever you have number, you will crown the number. What is the crowning? Crowning is actually place value. In this place value chart, you can check you have three houses: one's house, thousands house, and millions house. In one's house, you have three columns: unit, tens, hundred. In thousands house, similarly, you have three columns: thousands, ten thousands, hundred thousands. And in million house, you can check you have three columns: million, 10 million, 100 million. This place value chart is very helpful for writing any number as in words or as in figures. Okay, you learn this chart because whenever you have number, you will count the number. And what is the crowning? Crowning is this. Okay, now come to the next one. Important thing is what? This. Now we will work with numbers up to 9 digits, that is 100 million. Okay, now look, you can check you have three houses here. The important thing which you learn is when you have a number having 6-digit number, then you will start from unit place and it goes up to 100,000. When you have a 7-digit number, you will start from unit place and it will goes up to million. When you have 8-digit number, you will start from unit place and it will goes up to 10 million. When you have 9-digit number, you will start from unit place and it will goes up to 100 million. You learn this thing. This thing is important. When you have 6-digit number, you will make a place value chart till 100,000. For 7-digit number, you will make place value chart till million. For 8-digit number, you will make your place value chart till 10 million. And for 9-digit number, you will start from unit place and goes up to 100 million. Okay, now come to your exercise. Yes. Exercise 1A. This is page from your countdown book, page number 6. Question number 1 is fill in the blanks. Question number 2 is true or false. Question number 3 is select the answers, right answers or correct answers. These 3 questions are objective type questions. So inshallah we will discuss these questions after the exercise. Now come to the question number 4. Write the given numbers in words. Your question is write the given numbers in words. And first of all, when you have a question, you have a numbers, you have digits, you will count number of digits. These are 7 digits and you can check you have some space here. This space, or if you put comma, both having the same meaning. Okay, now come to the solution. Yes, when you start preparing your notes, you will mention like this: topic numbers, reference exercise 1A, countdown page 6 plus 7. Question number 4, write the given numbers in words and do the crowning. You can check your question. You have how many digits here? First of all, whenever you have number, you will count number of digits. You have 7 digits. For 7 digits, you will go up to million. Okay, now the other thing is you can check the first 3 digits belongs to one's house, second 3 digits belongs to thousands house, and the third one 3 belongs to your million house. And you will start crowning from unit place: unit, tenth, hundred, put comma, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000, put comma. These commas mean you have the separate house here. Okay, you want to write this as in words, so your answer will be 3 million because remaining all are zeros. Now come to the next one, part B. You have number, and first of all you will count number of digits. These are 9 digits. When you have 9 digits, you will start from unit place and goes up to 100 million. And the other thing is, you can check the first 3 zeros belongs to one's house, second 3 zeros belongs to thousands house, and next 3 numbers belongs to million house. You will start, you will construct a table, start from right hand side, unit, tens, 100, put comma, make the separate house, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000, comma, million, 10 million, 100 million. Now it is 140 million because remaining all are zeros. Okay, now solve the remaining part C and D by yourself as homework, because the question C and D same like A and B part, which you have done here now. Okay, now come to the next one, question number 5. Okay, come, yes, here. Question number 5 from your book is write in figures with correct spacing. Your question is write down as in figures with correct spacing. If you leave the space or if you mention comma, both having the same meaning, both are right. Now your question is 9 million. 9 million is given as in words. You will write down as in figures. Okay, now come to the solution. Yes, write in figures with correct spacing, do the crowning. Crowning is compulsory for every one number. Now 9 million. Okay, 9 million mean you have a million house having just one digit number, 9. You have just one place of millions. Okay, you will make a table till millions. Unit, tens, 100, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, million. You will write 9 upon million and remaining all are zeros. And you will put comma after each house. This is your answer in figures. Okay, now come to the next one, part is 24 million. 24 million. It means you have a million house having 2-digit number, 24. Tens place of million is here. So when you construct your table, start from unit place, unit, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million. You will put comma to make it separate house. Now answer will be 24 million here. This is the required answer. Solve remaining part C and D by yourself as question number A and B. And after solving the question number 5, you will put ending line. After every one question, you will put ending line to make the separate question. Now come to the question number 6. What is the question number 6? Write the given numbers in words. Question number 6 is same like question number 4. Write the given numbers in words. Do the crowning. Numbers in words. First of all, whenever you have number, you will check how many digits are here. You have 7 digits. For 7-digit number, you will goes up to million. And the other thing you can understand, the first house belongs to ones, the second one house belongs to thousands, and in million you have just one column. So start writing from unit place, unit, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, million. Okay, you will put digits accordingly. Start from your right hand side, 6, 5, 0, 9, 8, 2, 1. Okay, for writing as in words, you will write just about one house first. You will write 1 million. In million house, you have just one. So write down 1 million, comma. Now you can check your second house belongs to thousands. So you just write about thousands. 289,000. You will put comma. And after writing the last house, you will mention and 56. This is your required answer. Answer will be what? 1,289,056. Okay, come to the B1 part. This is your person. First of all, you will read how many digits are here. You can observe you have 8 digits. For 8-digit number, you will go up to 10 million. And the other thing, first house is 1, second house is thousands, and third one house you have, it is million house, and you have just 2-digit numbers. So it will be 10 million. Start writing from unit place. Unit, tens, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million. Okay, you will put numbers or digits accordingly. Start from right hand side. And now you want to write as in words. So be carefully. First of all, you will observe just million group. Okay, you can write 27 million. Put comma. Now you have just observe your thousands house. In this house, you have 389,000. Put comma and 100. This is your answer. And solve the remaining part C and D by yourself is homework. Okay, now come to the next one question. Yes. Question number 7. In question number 7, write the place value of circled digit and do the crowning. Crowning is compulsory for every one number. Okay, you must learn this thing. Either it's mentioned or not, you should do the crowning. Crowning is what it's actually place value. Okay. Place value of circle digit. First of all, you can check you have a number and one number 8 is circle digit, and you count number of digits. You have 9 number of digits. So you have 3 houses complete. So first house belongs to ones, second house belongs to thousands, and third one house belongs to millions. Start writing from unit place. Unit, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million. Okay, now you put your numbers accordingly. Start from right hand side. 0, 0, 1, comma 2, 5, 4, comma 9, 8, 7. And you observe your circle digit 8 having 10 million. 10 million having circle digits. So the place value of circle digit is 10 million. You can write like the digit 8 stands for 8, 10 million. Or you can write down like 8 and remaining all will be zeros. Or you can write as in words 80 million. You can write in any way, all ways are right. Okay, this remaining parts B, C, D by yourself, same like the first person I have discussed here. Okay, and after this question you will draw ending line. Now come to the next one question, question number 8. Okay, before discussing question number 8, you will learn the important thing, what is the predecessor, because question number 8 belongs to predecessor. What is the predecessor? Do you know about predecessor? Yes, I think so. Some students knows about very well. What is the predecessor? The predecessor of a whole number is one less than the given number. For example, you have a number, the given number is 9. The given number is 9, and question is what is the predecessor of 9? For 9, you will subtract 1. 1 less mean you will subtract 1. 9 minus 1 is 8. Then 8 is the predecessor of 9. Okay, now come to the question. Write the predecessor of 60,129,808. You will solve your question like this way. First, write down number, then show your working, and after that, you will make a column for answer of and with heading predecessor. Okay, for working, you will observe, you will subtract 1 from unit place. You always subtract from unit place. 8 minus 1 is 7 and remaining digits comes down same. So you can write your answer like this way. The predecessor of 60,129,808 is 60,129,807. This is your answer. Now solve the remaining parts B, C, and D by yourself as homework. Okay, now next question number 9 is what about successor? And what is the successor? Do you know? It's same like predecessor, but in this case you can check the successor of a whole number is one more than the given number. When the given number is 9, for example, the given number is 9 and you want to find successor, you will plus 1. You will add as in successor. 9 plus 1 is 10. 10 will be your successor. Your question number 9 is write the successor of 146,780,000. First, write down number. Show your working. In working, you can check you have to add 1 behind. You have to plus in unit place. 0 plus 1 will be 1, 0, 0, and remaining numbers will be same. You can write down your successor in front of working. And the successor of 146,780,000 is 146,780,001. You will plus 1 in successor. Okay, solve the remaining parts B, C, and D by yourself. The end. Okay, now come to the question answer session. If I unmute you, then you are 100 students. It's difficult for me that I can hear you at same time. You have an option of raising hand. So you just raise your hand up. Who has some problem? Yes. Oh, if you have some problem, then you listen my recorded lecture again. Then you go because each and everything is explained. Okay, now who understand this lecture fully? Good, very good. I pleased to see your hands. Okay. Allah Hafiz, all of you.